Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to set chat wallpaper on Signal. So let's start. First open the Signal app. First let me show you a conversation. Here you can see that the chat background is of a different color. I have recently changed it. Now let me show you how you can do that. Now tap on three dots on top right corner on your home page. Then tap on Settings. Now tap on Appearance. Then go to Chat Wallpaper. Then tap on Set Wallpaper and select from any of the presets. I'll go with a gradient. I'll select this black one. And here you will see a preview. You can always go back and compare with another one. I'll go with the black one. Now tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom of the screen. And your chat wallpaper is now set. Now let's go back and open a conversation. And here you will see that the chat background has been changed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.